In today's video, we'll present a detailed review of the Philips Series 800 Air Purifier. During the previous few months, we've gotten many inquiries about this air purifier, so we believe you'll like the review and find it helpful. Keep watching and find out how good it was in performance, noise, power, and smoke tests. But before we get started, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. The most important thing before the first use is preparing the device. First and foremost, you have to prepare the filter by turning the device upside down and removing the bottom lid. Then, pull out the filter, remove it from the plastic wrap, and put it back into the device. Next, attach the power cord to the device. Place it in the desired location at least 8 inches from the wall and other objects, and switch the power button on. Concerning design, the Philips Series 800 is a well-built air purifier made of high-quality plastic. The model shown in this review is gray with a black top panel. It consists of 2 parts, the lower part where the filter and power button are located, and the upper part where the motor, control button, and air quality sensor are located. Please remember that before using the Philips Series 800 air purifier, you have to switch the power button on the back side. The control button is located on the top, and it basically has just 2 functions: when switching between speeds and when resetting the filter reset indicator. Generally, the Philips Series 800 is an adorable air purifier that will fit into almost any ambiance. Other than that, we would have preferred that this air purifier had carrying handles, but that's not a huge minus. The Philips Series 800 is a minimalistic air purifier and doesn't have too many advanced features. However, it does have an air quality sensor, which is not often seen on devices in this price range. It tracks the air quality in real time. Then it shows it through the air quality indicator located around the control button, which lights in 4 colors depending on the current air quality. Additionally, there is an auto mode, which works in combination with the air quality indicator. When on auto mode, the air purifier switches the fan speed based on the current air quality. Besides these features, there is also a filter reset indicator. You can find a more detailed explanation of these features at airpurifierfirst.com. The Philips Series 800 is cylindrical in shape and consists of 2 parts. There are openings for drawing in air on the bottom part, arranged on all sides. After drawing in air through these openings, it's filtered and exits through the grills on top. Regarding the filtration technology, Philips has a few different models in this series, and the one we have tested comes with a 3-in-1 filter. We decided to try this one because of its powerful filtration compared to other models. The first filtration stage is a pre-filter that traps larger dust particles, hair, and pet hair. The HEPA filter is the second filtration stage, and it traps dust particles, pollen, allergens, and similar particles from the air. The activated carbon filter is the last stage of filtration, which neutralizes odors, unpleasant smells, and similar toxic particles from the air. The filter is placed in the bottom part of the device. We like that the Philips Series 800 uses a pellet-based carbon filter, which is why it performed outstandingly in neutralizing odors. But we also would have preferred it if it had a true HEPA filter instead of just a HEPA filter. After all, this is one high-quality and highly reliable filter. You can find more information on filtration at airpurifierfirst.com. The Philips Series 800 uses a non-washable filter, which means you have to replace them occasionally. Fortunately, that period is usually once per year. The other great thing is that Philips has a filter reset indicator just below the control button, which glows in red when the time comes to replace the filter. The filter replacing process is straightforward. You first have to unplug the air purifier, turn it upside down, and remove the old filter from the device. Then vacuum inside the device if needed. And immediately after that, unpack and prepare a new filter. Place the new filter inside the air purifier, close up the lid on the bottom, and turn the device as it was at first. The last step is to reset the filter reset indicator by holding your finger on the control button for about 5 seconds. When speaking of noise levels, firstly, we want to say that the Philips Series 800 has 3 working modes: sleep mode, auto mode, and turbo mode. The sleep mode and turbo mode are fixed speeds, but the auto mode switches between 4 different fan speeds, producing a sound between 41.8 and 62.8 dBA. In sleep mode, the air purifier is very quiet and makes a sound of just 41.8 dBA. While in turbo mode, it's a bit louder and produces a sound of 62.8 dBA. Due to its extremely quiet sleep mode, the Philips Series 800 is great for bedrooms, offices, and the like. Philips engineers did an excellent job optimizing the motor for low power and providing excellent airflow. The Philips Series 800 motor uses just 20 watts of power, so if you left the Philips Series 800 running 24 hours daily on max speed for 1 month, your electrical bill would be increased by about $1.60. This is an amazingly low cost. In addition, there's also the cost of replacing the filter, which is fortunately not that high. So, we can easily conclude that the Philips Series 800 is highly affordable as far as maintenance. Regarding performance tests, we first want to mention that we recommend using the Philips Series 800 in rooms up to 176 square feet. It will clean the air 4.8 times in 1 hour in such a room. According to the recommended size, we performed the first test in a 194 square foot room, where it improved the air quality by about 93% in just 60 minutes, working at max speed the entire time. In the second test, this time in a slightly larger room of 320 square feet, this air purifier improved the air quality by about 91% in 60 minutes, working at max speed the entire time. These are extraordinary results and prove that the Philips Series 800 is a reliable and highly efficient air purifier that can also deal with slightly larger rooms than recommended. We placed the Philips Series 800 in a glass box filled with smoke. See how much time is needed for this air purifier to remove all the smoke from the smoke box. We must say that this was an exciting review and that the Philips Series 800 has justified all our expectations. Frankly, it did much better in some tests than we expected. Most importantly, it had terrific results in performance tests, is very quiet when at work, and is a low-power consumer. Great performance, along with features such as an air quality sensor and auto mode, is why the Philips Series 800 is our absolute best buying recommendation. If you have any questions about this air purifier, please leave a comment below the video. All links can be found in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and click subscribe. That's it for now.